What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm here again for another random video. After making over 900 videos on YouTube and being on here for over 9 years, I'm starting to run out of ideas like BuzzFeed, bro. I'm just kidding, Kiki. It's my black pussy. YouTube can't censor that because that's a real pussy. Diggy diggy diggy. Anyways, to the video. I'm gonna randomly ramble. Get out of here. No one liked you anyway. About some shit. Whoa, YouTube, don't censor me. Anyways, I wrote it all down. Oh, good night. Anyways, I played the Ouija board not too long ago. Ah, don't touch your eye, you touched the cat. Allergies. Blah. I played a Ouija board like a month ago. Outside. That was a little sketchy. And shit happened. Let me just turn this off. I'm not saying the best stuff happened, but apparently my dead uncle was trying to communicate with me with the power of a water park. That was a little fucking freaky, okay? And I'm always tired when I make these videos. I'm so sorry for yawning. I got a condition. I don't know what it is. It's called being fucking tired when I make YouTube videos. .com. Please like and subscribe for more random videos. Anyways, water parks come on all at once. Well, this thing shot out all by itself. The bucket just tipped. Not all 3 buckets, just the one little water thing came on at midnight. Freaked me out. I GTFO out of there. Just kidding. I stayed and I played and I waited for more. Nothing else happened. I said, can you pay my bills? Nope. Can you send me money? Nope. And I'm like, ghosts don't exist. That's bullshit. They're not here to help us. They're here to, like, tease us. You didn't see it. Didn't happen. I tried some moonshine. Yeah. Totally different than beer. That shit like buzzes your body. Okay? You drink that shit, you're drinking weed. It's pretty wicked. No hangover like weed. Comes and goes. You drink it and it's like, hello. Good night. Goodbye. What happens when you drink beer? Moonshine fucking wakes you up. You just want to fight everybody. Want to attack the cameraman. Jesus. Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah, it's good stuff. Tried out all kinds. Approved. Percentage. Watch what you take. That stuff's fucking deadly. Start off small. Know your limits. Don't drink and drive. And be responsible. If you're a little punk ass kid watching this thing right now, moonshine is not a joke. It is nothing to play with. That stuff is deadly. Always drink around your girlfriend so she can tuck you in at night. But I'm just saying. Anyways, I went up north, going to my hometown, blah, 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 blah. And I hit a fucking bird. My brand new truck. After I just told you guys I dented the damn thing, I smoked a bird. You know, one of those big cranes. I gotta get that looked at. So the bird was trying to take off. You know, they're big ass birds. They got a big wingspan. They need like the flight. Blip, 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 blip. So I'm like trying to slow down here. I'm a truck driver. I can't just like, I don't make rational decisions. I'm a pretty decent driver. Though I'm driving a nice brand new truck. I'm not going to swerve in the other lane because I'm totally sorry for that. It's a brand new vehicle beside me. It was a decent vehicle too. I don't remember. Anyways, I reacted swiftly and to the best of my ability. So I started slowing down, hoping he'd leave, and he didn't. When you're supposed to speed up, but it was a bird. So I slowed down, I scooped down the hood, and my truck is pretty high off the ground. The mofo still hit my hood, slid up, smacked into my windshield, and flew over. I stopped, I felt bad, like I killed one of nature's creatures. And then it slowly gimped away. I hit it like 80K. Like a 5,500 pound vehicle, empty, with me in it. Almost 6, I don't think it was that much, but it was enough. Probably fucked them up forever. Because if they can't fly, well, they're pretty much useless because they're birds, and birds are meant to fly. You don't belong on the road. I'm a tank. I'll mess you up. Anyways, what's my last story about? eBay. That's right. I'm trying to buy Stephen King's It on Blu-ray, not realizing that it just came out. What was that? Hard to find. I bought one. The guy canceled it. Gave me back my money. Sorry, refunded. Second guy canceled it. I'm in a dispute to get my money back. It says leave a comment. So I leave a comment. And in the fine print it says this case becomes closed. Because once it's closed, PayPal doesn't give a shit about you. Well, guess what? The fucking buyer is always right, and I'll call your ass tomorrow. Unreal. Cancel my item, don't even refund me and tell me why you canceled. It's because catalog titles are worth a lot of money. Anytime you buy a movie on eBay, Amazon, and they're hard to find, they don't sell them in the stores. So buyers jack them up. Normally from the States. And you know who you are because most of you guys are from the States. Anyways, you pick on little guys like me, you rip us off, and now I gotta dispute my money. Well, guess what? I'm gonna leave you a nasty ass negative comment. Don't rip people off. He did that because he knows that it could be worth a lot more. So he's like, whoa, $12? Man, fuck that. Cancel that. Jack up the price. Why not? Someone else will buy it after I just beat this guy for money. Don't do it. And always remember to like and subscribe for more random videos and help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can make big ballin' entertainment videos for you like those trailers you watch on TV. And I'll talk to you later. Peace, YouTube. Thanks for watching.